Christina here, speech therapist with Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner. Today we're going to take a look at a couple of visual timer products sent to us by the folks at timetimer.com, the original visual timer. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like and share on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out at aecorner.com. So let's get started. The Time Timer is an award-winning visual timer that uses a red disc to visually represent the passage of time. Time timers are used by individuals and organizations to help with time management, focus, and productivity. At AE Corner, we are always on the lookout for products that might be helpful to care partners as well as care recipients. When we learned about Time Timer while attending the American Occupational Therapy Association conference this year, my mind started racing with ideas and ways that this product could be used by care partners caring for loved ones living with cognitive impairment or dementia. Some of the ways, such as using a visual timer to help with activities of daily living. A time timer could be used to help a loved one with daily tasks such as brushing their teeth, eating meals, or getting dressed. For example, you could set a timer for 10 minutes to allow the individual time to dress themselves while helping maintain functional independence and dignity. They could also give a loved one a sense of structure and routine in their day by providing a visual cue for when activities start and end. For example, a care partner could set a timer for 30 minutes in the morning when their loved one wakes up so that they know when to get started getting ready for the day. Time timer can also be used for breaking down large tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks of time, helping individuals stay on track and avoid distractions, timing recipes and ensuring that food is cooked properly, using a timer to help focus the mind and achieve a state of calm. Time timers are available in a variety of sizes and formats, including freestanding timers, wall timers, and watches. They even have an app for your mobile phone. This is the Time Timer Original 8-inch timer. Like all Time Timer original products, it includes a large red disc, large easy-to-read numbers, clear protective lens cover, an on-off switch for the audible alerts, magnetic strips on the back to hold it securely on the refrigerator, foldable feet so it can stand on a countertop, a dry erase activity label, and a download code for the Time Timer desk app. This is the Time Timer watch. It allows the wearer to enjoy the same supported benefits of the Time Timer original while on the go. This product features 3 modes: the Time Timer mode, the clock mode, and the alarm mode. The optional alarm has multiple settings: audible alert, vibrating alert, audible and vibrating alert, or no alert at all. A face with backlighting, an interchangeable silicone band, and it is water resistant up to 30 meters. The interchangeable band allows you to mix and match colors to reflect your style. Full disclosure, I have an iPhone and an Apple Watch, so I downloaded the free Time Timer app to my phone and then installed it on my watch. I found the app on my iPhone and Apple Watch much more convenient and easier to use and see than the Time Timer watch. However, if you're trying to do a digital detox or your loved one isn't familiar with smart technology, the Time Timer watch would be a possible option. Time timers are a simple and effective way to improve time management skills. They're easy to use and understand, and they can be used by people of all ages and abilities. If you're looking for a way to improve your or your loved one's time management skills, Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner thinks Time Timer products are a great option. Be sure to check out the links below for further details. That's it for today from Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner. Have a great day, and don't forget, if you can't do it, adapt it.